Alright, so in this video I'm going to be unboxing the 5-inch random orbital palm sander from Harbor Freight. The item number right there if you want more information on this tool, just in case if I don't cover everything. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys what you get. I haven't opened this at all, this is the first time. So of course you get the instructions, and I guess this is just one demo or sample sanding pad here. It's a hook and loop type of deal here. You also get a dust bag. Oh, that's cool. Nice little black dust bag. Just touching it gets all nice and dirty there. But after that comes the whole machine, I guess, the little sander, and that's all you get. So there it is in all its glory. Takes the hook and loop disc. Might be really easy assembly here. Just the dust bag has grooves there, so you can just drop it over the inserts here and just push down, and you're set. That thing is on there. That's it. Locks into place there, and that thing is pretty much ready for sanding, or almost. Guess I gotta plug it in. Duh. Anyways, appears to have about 5 to 6 feet of cord here. It's quite long, not bad at all. This thing says it's an 80 grit. Of course, you can find other pads at Harbor Freight. So I'm going to align these holes from the sanding disc here to the base, because those holes are actually where the dust actually goes in there and gets sucked in. It sucks in the dust or whatever you're sanding and puts it inside the little dust bag there. The switch is here on the front, and it looks like it's protected with a piece of plastic. Pretty nice switch. It's actually recessed inside of the sander here, so there's no mistaken shut off or on or off of the switch, and it looks like it's a pretty safe tool. So anyways, I'm gonna run it for a little bit here. Anyways, a better idea is to actually do this while the pad's not on there, because you don't want the little pad flying off and take an eye out or something. So I don't know if you guys saw that on the camera, but there's like an arcing inside on the armature, where the brushes meet that armature in there, and that's the whole reason for turning one of these things on. It's because you want to break it in, and you don't want to burn out those brushes right away. If you turn this thing on and apply a lot of pressure on it, You can overheat those brushes really fast and they just wear out. From what I could see, there wasn't no extra brushes included on this thing, like there is on most tools. So make sure you always get the warranty with this thing. Hopefully it'll never need brushes, but hey, it's always a good idea though to get that warranty, especially when it comes to Harbor Freight power tools. But anyways, I'm gonna put the sanding pad back on there, and I'm gonna do a little demonstration on a scrap piece of 2x4 that I got here. So you can see, I got the tool dirty there already. It doesn't always capture the dust. I mean, it is drawn up onto the top of the disc there. I did that piece of 2x4 there. You can kind of see the color difference there. It states that it's an 80 grit, but this is not 80 grit at all. It says P80 on it, but there's just no way. There's just not enough bite on this, and it's not really all that. It's just a little crappy demo sanding pad that they give you anyways. But let's see what the little dust bag collected anyways. So here's the dust bag. And I'll just pour it out here. And it does its job. I mean, there's quite a bit of dust actually in there. It's not bad at all. I don't know how much that is in volume, but I mean, it's quite a bit just for about a minute or two that I used it there, and there's actually still some trapped in the bag there. But anyways, that's my video on the 5-inch Orbital palm sander from Harbor Freight. I want to thank you guys as always for watching my videos, and see you on the next one.